4-wheel. Put it in first gear all the way down.
Get a picture of Katie going down.
Keep coming. I'll talk loud. Alright, come on. Pass the gate a little bit.
In the back.
Come on. Alright, straight like that. Come on. Good. Like that. Well, I'll tell you when you're going to start dropping in. It's alright. Alright, slow. You're about to start coming in. Nice and slow. Take your foot off. Ease off the brake. You're in first.
You're okay.
Right down. Come on. Nice and slow. And when you come to the bottom, come passenger a little bit and roll it out. Passenger, passenger. All right, you're good. Keep coming down. Put off the brake. You're in first. It'll coast you down. Come on. Come on, you're good. You're free.